Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tech so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 upgraded digital TV antenna for smart TVs. An indoor HD TV antenna that claims to deliver a whopping 900+ mile range with an amplifier signal booster, 360-degree reception, and support for 8K, 4K, and 1080p resolution. Right out of the box, the antenna is compact and lightweight, measuring just 5 by 3 by 2 inches and weighing only 8.4 ounces. It's designed to be versatile, allowing placement on a table, behind your TV, on a window, or even in a basement or RV. The package includes a 32-foot coaxial cable, which gives you plenty of flexibility to find the optimal spot for reception. What sets this antenna apart is its built-in advanced smart IC chip paired with a powerful signal amplifier. The manufacturer claims that this combination significantly enhances signal transmission, reduces interference, and increases the reception range up to 900 miles. In theory, that means you could pick up a wide array of free HD channels. Installation is straightforward. You simply connect the antenna to your TV using the coaxial cable, scan for channels, and adjust its position for the best reception. Because it's designed for 360-degree reception, it should capture signals effectively even in areas with challenging terrain or weather conditions, such as thunderstorms. However, for the best results, it's recommended to avoid obstructions and to occasionally rescan channels after moving the antenna. This antenna supports all modern TVs and resolutions, making it future-proof for the newest 8K and 4K TVs as well as older models. It's marketed as a one-time purchase that can save you a significant amount on cable bills over the long term, offering free access to local HD channels at a fraction of the cost. Overall, the 2025 upgraded digital TV antenna combines portability, extended range, and signal amplification into a simple, easy-to-install package. Whether you live in an urban or suburban area, this antenna could be a solid option for cutting the cord and enjoying local HD channels without subscription fees. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for an indoor TV antenna with long-range reception, the 2025 upgraded digital TV antenna is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest gadget reviews.